In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off camera sound on magnifying glass. So whenever you take the picture on magnifying glass, if you're hearing the shutter sound or any other sound, you'll be able to turn it off. In the magnifying glass itself, you'll not be able to find such settings. So what you have to do is open the camera app on your device. You can see over here camera app has been opened. So in order to turn off the camera sound, tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the camera settings. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. Over here what you have to do is find this option for shutter sound. Right now it is turned on. So what you have to do is toggle this button off in order to turn it off. Now the shutter sound has been turned off. Now go back. Now go back to the magnifying glass app. Now whenever you take the picture, you can see over here there will be no camera sound. So that is how you turn off camera sound on magnifying glass. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.